Okay, I'm going to do a few suggestions for your topic. Unfortunately, you may find a lot of difficulty in finding resources because your topic is so time sensitive. We've only been dealing with COVID for what feels like an eternity, but it's been about eight months. And your requirement for your assignment is to find different types of resources such as ebooks. And I don't think that you're really going to find any books published on this topic because of that short time frame, but I did a few keyword searches, so I think that you need to keep it as vague as possible just because there aren't a lot of things published already on this topic. So I did working parents COVID and hit search. I'm just doing an everything search in Primo. And there are a few things that pop up that might work for your research question. This second article is learning, working, and parenting from home, COVID-19 and the worsening parent-child well-being, home learning in times of COVID, experiences from parents. So by keeping it kind of vague and just putting a few keywords in, you can see that there are some resources that come up. Unfortunately, again, I could not find any ebooks on this topic. You may want to change your keywords. When I did one, working parents, COVID, remote learning, some of the same articles come up, but there are, I believe, less resources. But again, I think that if you are required to have an ebook, this might be an issue. When you do your search here, you can go over on the left and look at material type. Whoops, sorry, I don't know what just happened. Let me scroll back down. Material type. It shows you here that most of these are coming from articles or newspaper articles, and there are no books that are coming up in this search because this is such a recent topic. But I would talk to your instructor about that and see if an ebook is required, but hopefully this gets you started.